The 2013 Audi A4. The history of the A4 started back in 1972 when the company penned it as the successor for the Audi A4. In October, the 10 millionth midsize Audi rolled off the assembly line, a Misano Red Audi S4. That being said, even the most successful models need to be updated from time to time to keep up with the ever-changing market. That time will be the 2013 model year for the A4. The updated model will get a new front fascia with a revised grille, restyled headlights, a modified hood, a new diffuser, revised taillights, and a dual exhaust system. Minor changes will also be made to the interior, along with a revised suspension and a new power steering system. As for the engine lineup, customers will have the option to choose between 6 TDI and 4 gasoline engines, with 23 possible engine transmission combinations. Update November 28, 2011, Audi has unveiled the first promotional video for the new A4 facelift. Enjoy! Hit the jump to read more about the Audi A4. Exterior and interior. The fact that the A4 is in its 8th generation should say a lot about it. It is undoubtedly one of the most successful models on the market, and with the recent updates, the model has just become even more clearly defined, more elegant, and sportier. The new front fascia for the updated A4 includes a revised grille, restyled headlights, and a more arched hood. The grille is painted gray, with high-gloss black on the 6-cylinder models or the S-Line exterior package. The headlamps now feature a slight wave at the bottom edges. They come standard with LED daytime running lights that form a narrow, optically homogeneous band that remains open in the vicinity of the xenon lens. For the rear, there is a new diffuser, revised taillights and a dual exhaust system. As for the interior, Audi has opted for a new steering wheel, a revised trim, and additional chrome accents. The MMI Navigation Plus system now features 4 instead of 8 buttons, with a script function integrated in the volume control dial. Other improvements concern operation of the automatic transmission, the efficient air conditioning systems, Audi Drive Select, and the multifunction steering wheel. Audi is also offering an S-Line package that adds a reduced ride height, 18-inch alloy wheels, and a black interior, refined with high-quality applications. Engine. The new A4 family is offered with a choice of 6 TDI and 4 gasoline engines, with 23 possible engine transmission combinations. All engines are supercharged direct injection systems and come equipped with the start-stop system. Fuel consumption has been lowered by 11% despite the fact that most of the engines now deliver more HP. The entry level in the gasoline lineup is a 1.8 TFSI with a total output of 120 HP. There is also a new 1.8-liter 4-cylinder engine that delivers a total of 170 HP and 236 pound-feet. It delivers a fuel economy of 42 mpg. The A4 will also get a 2.0 TFSI with 211 HP and the top version, a 3.0 TFSI with a total of 272 HP. As for the diesel lineup, it starts with a 2.0 TDI offered in 3 different versions, 134 HP, 160 HP, and 174 HP. There are also 3 4-cylinder engines with 120 HP, 143 HP, and 177 HP. Finally, there's a 3.0 TDI engine offered in 2 versions, 204 HP and 245 HP. All front-wheel drive models are offered with a standard 6-speed manual transmission, while the Quattro versions have either the manual transmission or the 7-speed S-Tronic. All models are also offered with new electromechanical power steering. This new system requires no energy for straight-ahead motion, thereby reducing fuel consumption by up to 0.3 liters per 100 kilometers. This is equivalent to a reduction in CO2 emissions of up to 7 grams per kilometer, 11.27 grams mile. Prices. The new A4 will go on sale in the US market later in 2012. Prices will be announced at a later date. Competition. The fact that Audi decided to update the A4 should come as no surprise. After all, BMW is already offering a new 3 Series and Mercedes has delivered the new C-Class. The only competition that remains unchanged is the Lexus sedan. Unlike the A4, the 3 Series is only offered with a choice of 4 engines, 2 petrol and 2 diesel, with power ranging from 163 HP to 306 HP. The C-Class includes 11 different models, with power ranging from 120 HP to 306 HP. The only competitor that offers 2 alternatives is the IS. Customers will only have to choose between the IS250 and the IS350. All 3 models offer an incredible level of luxury, so choosing the right one is just a matter of taste. Love it. Lots of models to choose from. Great look, improved fuel consumption. Leave it can get a little bit expensive.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.